Today, we're back in the kitchen to whip up another delicious treat. We are going to prepare sugar-free vanilla coffee cakes with streusel topping. Coffee cakes are undoubtedly a popular treat. So, without further delay, let's go baking. We'll begin with preheating the oven to 350 degrees. Next, we'll prepare our cupcake pan with liners. We'll set this aside while we prepare the streusel or crumb topping. On a medium-sized mixing bowl, let's combine 6 tablespoons of all-purpose flour with 1/3 cup light brown sugar. Then add 1/2 teaspoon ground cinnamon. Melt 2 tablespoons of salted butter in the microwave. Add the melted butter to the mixture and mix with fork until the mixture is crumbly. We'll set the streusel aside while we prepare the coffee cake. In a large mixing bowl, let's combine 1 cup cake flour with 1/3 cup sugar substitute of your choice. Or, if you prefer to go not sugar-free, add 1/3 cup granulated white or brown sugar instead. Add 1 teaspoon baking powder. Melt 1/4 cup salted butter, then add the melted butter to the mixture. Blend the mixture with a spatula until mixture is crumbly. Add 1 egg. Add 1/3 cup fresh milk and 1 teaspoon vanilla extract. Continue to blend the mixture. Then beat with hand mixer at the lowest setting for about 1 to 2 minutes. The mixture will be slightly lumpy. Fill 3/4 of your cupcake liners, then sprinkle the streusel on top of the coffee cake batter and bake immediately for 20 to 25 minutes or until done. Place the coffee cakes on a rack to cool down. You can place the coffee cakes in decorative paper baking cups. If you like today's recipe, please subscribe to this channel, and I invite you to watch my other featured recipes as well. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you all again next time here on Jane's Corner.